Is it recording? That's his. It's for sale. $375. 400.
That goes better shit.
That's not for mine. I was pointing it out on the floor before. Someone's gun.
I saw a kid with a pistol.
It's for a pistol, and I need this piece.
There you go.
Huh? I honestly don't know. It's not mine. It's his.
It doesn't suppress shit because it's not a gas gun.
Yeah, it doesn't suppress anything.
It's a mock suppressor. It just looks cute.
Because it's like KWA.
It just looks cute.
I have a 9.6.
Where does the battery go in? In this one?
Yeah. What's that? Is that like laser?
Yeah. But I don't use the fucking light don't work.
Well, the gun's 350.
Is that bright? No? That shit sucks.
I mean, it's like that's branches on it.
Yeah, but from here to the fucking glades that I'm pointing at you and shooting at you? I don't know. I think I'm gonna go this way to the glades.
I don't have any cash on me right now. Get my number after, I'll let you know. Alright. And then I also have a 400.
Yeah, I like this little thing. Damn. I'm afraid because now it's getting loose, so I don't know if I got it all the way tight.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna keep my hand behind it.
Hey! Who said that? Who said that? The blowjob, blowjob. Hey, I got the block. Who said blowjob? For the free cock.
I'd love a blowjob.
Do it.
What? You didn't fucking give me a blowjob. You couldn't pay me $1 million for you to give me a blowjob.
Oh, yes, I can.
No, you can't. I don't want no fucking. You'd have to pay me like $5 million for you to
Everyone
suck my
just stay
dick.
spawn for 8 minutes and piss them off.
Hell yeah!
Do I want to go port? I don't know, because it's kind of long range.
You got hit close range.
Huh?
You got hit close range. Wait, we're gonna go. We're gonna go up there.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure out where my crew's going. Huey, you're going glades? You're going glades and cutting over?
No one leave the spawn. We're just gonna hang out here for 8 minutes and piss the whole off.
Are we actually serious?
It's not as good actually. I got whiskey. We could all just get in and sit here and get
We can just sit here and drink.
Hi.
If no one dies, we're gonna lose the president.
Shut up, please.
Just throw grenades out. Everyone's starting.
Go, 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 go. You blew the whistle. Go, 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 go. What?
You didn't throw any of those shots?
You didn't get me that shot, dude. Motherfucker. He's gonna tell me he fucking hit me.
Yeah, a bunch of them went everything.
Get me, dude. Dude, you didn't get me, dude. Dude, you didn't get me.
Bro, from right here.
Bro, you didn't get me, dude. Hey, all right, if you got me, did I get you? This motherfucker, dude. He's gonna sit here and say he fucking got me. He didn't fucking get me at all.
You're clear. Clear down. Move. 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 Cover. Cover.
You're good.
You want to watch the score? Watch the door, watch the door.
You good? You good? You good? You alright? You alright? Just take a second. Just take a second. You good? You good? You good? Just sit down for a second. You don't have to walk off. Just don't get in my way, please. You alright? You want me to walk you out? Huh? Yeah. Alright, come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, I heard him. I heard him. Let me get him out. Come on. You want to go to your spawn or you want out? Spawn. You want spawn? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Go with them. You don't think I'd be in here that chill if I didn't know my team was behind me? Come on, come on, come on. Got him. I'm fucking him up in here, guys. Fucking him up in here. Where they at? Where they at? Yo, I'm fucking him up in here. Where?
Straight dead ahead.
You going? Go, make your run for it. You got it in here?
Huh?
Huey, watch behind you. Tape team, tape team. I think we got him pinned in spawn. There's our guys pushing. Let's go, Huey, let's go. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Whoa, whoa, you're good, we got them. They're trapped. Go tell ref they're trapped. They're trapped in spawn. They're trapped in spawn. They're trapped in spawn. We got them fucked. Go tell the ref. I was just gonna tell you they were trapped in there. Good shit. Mike, bro, you missed it, dog. I was engaged. I ran all the way to the back little house. I took out like 9 of them.
And then when
They were all in that back corner right behind that house.
They all respawned, like 4 of them, and I got all 4. I went 19-0 that round.
Bro, I can't wait to upload this video.
19-0.
I didn't get hit at all.
I didn't get
I
hit.
had one of these fucking